Okay. So let's just talk about that. We already talked about the contemporary issues uh, in modern management, besides the skills required, right? So we talked about focus on technology, and we talked about managers must get employees on board with new technology. Managers must oversee the social interactions and challenges involved in using collaborative technologies. So it's not just highly skilled worker, highly skilled manager you need to also keep an eye on the technological advancement. And then the example is, okay, focus on disruptive innovation. So one of the most critical challenges facing managers today is the dealing with the disruptive innovation, which involves new products, processes, services that radically change the rules of the game. So one big example in the automotive industry, the horse raw buggy industry. So I can give you the new example. It is the JIT, which is a part of lean production. So previously, what happened? This is the organization. Raw material is coming here. They make a finished goods. It go down, and from go down, they ship to the customers, right? So raw material is coming to the factory. Before coming to the factory, they also have a raw material go down, right? From raw material go down, it will come to the to the factory. Now the JIT is very popular. What we call this lean management style. What happened over there? The company need to first purchase the raw material, save it with their godowns, and run the factory, use the raw material. There is a huge transportation cost, and also the godown cost of storing the raw material is there. And then when they finish the goods, it comes here, and they also need to pay the security charges, the godown cost, and when the goods are finally shipped to the godown, then they, in order to increase the sales, they go for marketing expenses. So the lean management, it eliminated these two major costs of the company. Especially this is implemented by the Japanese firm. So instead of having the raw material coming and storing here, why don't we make a system that, okay, today we need to, on daily basis, today we need 100 cars. So all over the world, 100 car materials are coming to the factory. We make the 100 cars directly shipped to the port, ready to ship to the customers. So it means you receive orders in advance. When you receive order in advance, then you can book the raw materials. Raw material is coming to the factory on the same day that you need to produce, and on the same day, equal amount of orders are shipping to the customer. So they eliminated two huge costs and extra transportations on these raw material transportation and finished goods go down transportation. That's it. So it saves a lot of tons of money to the Japanese firms, especially Toyota, and that's why Toyota is now a big brand all over the world and a sign of quality as well, right? So that is inventory management and total quality management concept. Just gonna give you a small introduction regarding disruptive innovation. So you need to focus on that the new technology is going to be obsoleting your old technology. You need to upgrade yourself. So focus on social media. So this is the form of electronic communication through the user, through Instagram, through Facebook, right? So now your personal messages, public messages, your company announcements are also going through social media, Twitters, right? And it does have the impact. If Elon Musk tweets something, it does have impact. You have seen in cryptocurrency as well. You have seen the Tesla, you know, announcement stuff. So the big companies, they now are turning to the social media for their authentic news, messages, and all the stuff. Ethics. So we commonly see unethical business practice in the news. So example include pharmaceutical firms raising drug prices by 500%, someone turning in fake receipts for expenses. Organizational survival depends on building trust. Like I told you, if you want to survive in the business, do ethical stuff. Care about society, care about your employees, suppliers. Don't just care about profits and and stockholders, not stakeholders, stockholders. You need to distribute the profit to the stockholders or the owners. So if you care about profits, it means you don't care about clients, you don't care about suppliers, you don't care about employees, you don't care about the society, you don't care about the natural environment. All you need to care about is the profit. Then your survival is threatened. In order to have sustainable profit or potential future profits, a company should manage its stakeholders. Stakeholders means all those people, including employees, clients, government, society, neighbors, environment, that are affected by organizational decisions. We call them stakeholders. So you need to also focus them. All right? And then focus on political uncertainty. So we have the example here. In the past, major democratic nations like US, Canada, UK have relatively stable political environment. And you have seen that when the UK announced going out from the your EU, then there's going to be a lot of shift in their political stability and all the stuff, right? So those country who has political stability, they enjoy good businesses, good management, and they enjoy good, relatively stable profits as well. So you need to see that which country your organization is, which country you are serving, or which country you are planning to open your business. If you are a good manager and everything is going smooth, and just because of this factor, your all business may be compromised. So just do not concern just on conceptual skills, the technical skills, right? You also acquire these skills to be more informed citizens, so that it will help you to manage your business or managing your people in an effective and efficient way. All right? Focus on customers. Without customer, more organizations cease to exist, because ultimately your survival depends on customers, because they are going to pay for your services, and that money is going to be used for your different expenses and all the stuff. So managing customer relationship is the responsibility of all managers and employees. So customer, like in business world, is called customer is the king. So you need to care about on all level, whether it's top level, whether it is middle level, whether it is first line. If customer want blue jeans, then no matter what, the top level manager also must include this in their agenda. Middle level also, first line also. Yes, Oliver, you can ask question.
Yeah, sir. I'm sorry, I don't want to interrupt the class, but did
Okay.
we not have class until 10:40, or is it?
Okay, I think there is a miscommunication. I would do that. Okay, I think we are finished. Yes, I told you. Just bear me with 10 minutes, then I would be wrapping up. Okay, so for next class, of course, I think our class time is like this, right? So we would be, focusing with this time limit. Sorry about that. Today's, mismanagement. We will be, in future taking care about this stuff. Okay, if you have any improvement suggestion, anything else, so you can talk to me, you can message me, you can personal message me, you can message me in the group. So I would be definitely incorporating that. From next class, we will be also using the breakout room and some case studies as well, so that we do have some kind of practical experience as well. All right, guys. So I would be uploading this video lecture as well, and the links I will gonna be uploading both platform Blackboard and WeChat as well. Okay. So
Thank you very much. Bye.
Thank you.
Yes, thank you.
stay safe.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye.